Wait. Focus with me.
I'm putting you in because you are good. There is a screen here, there's 3 points of the shot because you open the screen.
Can I shoot? Back here to shoot. One shot, back to one shot.
And determinación, sales, tienes un tiro, tienes que tirarlo, no te pongas a botar, tira.
Where you are in the court? You are on the court because you are the best one defending the switch and you avoid the timing. We are not one-on-one guys. One-on-one guys. It's the time don't have any mistakes. Play well with discipline in our offense. 3 up. And in our defense, talk more. Play together. Play together. Stop to behave like a king. Stop. Stop. Stop.
All of us, we are coming back. Everybody can define, one against 5. Everybody can take the shots, Grayson. Everybody can take any difficult passes. Play like a team. No 1 against 5. No Superman.
No es intentar meter la canasta y ya está. Hay que colaborar, pasar el balón. Not a question only to shoot threes. You have to get the paint and shoot here.
Everything is 1 against 1. It's about proud, you understand me? It's you against them. Or your guy against your guy.
It's about Real Madrid here. God damn it. Every time the fucking sorry. I don't play well. I don't give a shit. Fuck you with this. Fuck you with this. Play for your team.
Maiva. Everyone, Maiva. 30 points, Maiva. Focus.
We need to change. Okay? Better body language, better mentality. Fight!
Is the layer, no problem. When we share the ball, we generate. And we, the first 4 offenses, 1-on-1. No. Play, share the ball.
Everything is so complicated, guys. We cannot do anything in a normal way. All the time, complicating our life. Play normal.
When things get tough, we gotta do this. Yeah. Everybody's in their own head. We can't allow that. This is a test. What we're gonna face. We gotta get better.
Hey, points are important. Keep fighting until the end. Points are important. Come on.
This is the work now, okay? Yeah? If anybody is not ready,